Hey there, my name is Katarina Berry. I would like to personally welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing and doing a full flip through of this beautiful deck, Universe Has Your Back, and I will also be reviewing this deck. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Start with the review. I've already unboxed and done the first part of filming at the time of this recording, so I can tell you that my impression so far is this is a beautiful deck. As you will see, the artwork is pretty incredible. The cards are very easy to use. However, it does not come with a companion book, and I'm used to having Oracle decks that come with a companion book. And the reason for that is I like to pull a card for myself and first get an intuitive read, an intuitive interpretation, possibly journal it, possibly meditate on it, but then I like to look through the guidebook and read the author's description of the card. That allows me to have a little more of a perspective and perhaps look at the card and the message from different angles. However, this deck does not come with a guidebook, and only for that reason I'm giving it 4 stars instead of 5. But otherwise, it is incredibly easy to use. All the cards are very self-explanatory. They can be used as an affirmation. They can be used even to post a reminder to your followers on social media, or share with a friend, or maybe even pull a card for a friend or with your friend. So this is a really fun deck to kind of work with. It's very easy to work with. It's extremely beginner friendly, and like I said, pretty self-explanatory. The imagery is amazing. The quality of the cards is really great and beautiful. So overall, it's a great deck, but I am giving it 4 stars because I like to have my little guidebook and to kind of expand my understanding of the cards that way. So that's just my personal opinion. But if you would like to check out this deck for yourself and maybe order it for yourself, or is a gift to someone else in your life who is kind of working on developing their intuition, who would like some more signs from the universe that they can understand, then check it out on Amazon. I have it listed below for your convenience in the description to this video. Now let's jump into unboxing and going through a full card by card flip through of all the cards in this deck. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you would like to buy this deck for yourself or someone else as a gift, check out the listing that I have linked in the description to this video below for your convenience. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and also check out the playlist where I've already uploaded some other tarot and oracle card deck reviews. I hope to see you in my next video, and I look forward to hearing your feedback in the comments. I always respond to all of my comments, so let me know what you think, and I look forward to chatting with you. On this note, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!